Can we just be honest and admit that the medical industry is not interested in you getting well? The fact that the medical error is the third leading cause of death in America should be something for us to pay attention to. It is an alarming statistic. The fact is that the allopathic medical doctors are not trained in healthcare. They are trained in sick care. They know medicine and they know surgeries. Now, when it comes to acute situations, I'm all for those. If I were to have a surgery right now, I need medicine. I need a surgery to save my life. But for chronic conditions such as hypothyroidism, Hashimoto's, Graves' disease, PCOS, endometriosis, infertility, and other hormone, thyroid, and autoimmune related conditions, medicine and surgery is usually not the answer. We're faced with an epidemic of women being hacked to pieces by the medical profession because the medical doctors have no answers on how to resolve endometriosis or PCOS, for example. If they do not know how to instruct their patient to change their diet and lifestyle so that they're not in pain or bleeding excessively every single month, it doesn't mean that they need to go in and extract that woman's uterus. It's not like we have extra body parts. Yet women are often treated like cattle when they go to doctors' offices. They're given medication, they take labs, they come back, and when the doctors are helpless to find a solution, they offer a surgery which can often be avoided. And here's a scary fact. For example, if you were to have a hysterectomy, and if you did not keep your ovaries, you would reduce your lifespan by 8 years. That's 8 years that you can spend being happy, living in your purpose, being with your family, enjoying your life. But that one very factor that your doctor did not know how to help you reverse PCOS or endometriosis might cause you an extra decade of your life. I would not be okay with that, and I hope that you're not okay with that either. Here's what we should really be striving for: empowering the women and men who are struggling with chronic conditions to become self-healers. The medicine that the doctors are prescribing to us did not create the problem, so therefore does not have the possibility and the power to solve that problem. It can tinker with your numbers, it can mask some of the symptoms for a little bit, but eventually all medicines come with a list of side effects. For example, levothyroxine, the medication for thyroid conditions, has over 60 possible side effects. And while it might tinker with your numbers and give you better labs, it doesn't mean that it will have solved the problem that you're struggling with. What it really means is that it's masking the root cause of your problem, which eventually will get worse, and eventually you're going to have to deal with it anyway. What we find often is that chronic conditions do not travel alone. If you do not address the root cause of one, then the next one will be created, and the next one, and the next one. It is not uncommon for me to have clients who come to me with multiple health conditions. And the reason is the root cause of their health condition was not addressed. So it gets worse and worse. It's like an alarm going off during a fire. One room, then the next room, then the next room, and eventually the house can be on fire. And if there's nobody putting out that fire and the source of the fire, the house will burn down. To put it in your and my terms, your health will be getting worse and worse. And that is not what you want. But I propose that there is a better way to do health. Not being stuck on medication for the rest of your life. Not risking losing your organs, but instead reversing the very things that caused you to have those conditions so that you can be well once and forever. And normally those factors are the diet and lifestyle choices. And the lifestyle choices can be multiple. I normally review over 15 possible root causes that might contribute to somebody's unwellness. So if you're done struggling by putting band-aids on your problem and you're ready to dig deep to find out the root cause of that problem so you can address it, so you can reverse it, so you can heal your body and be the person that you want to be, full of energy, slimmer waistline, waking up with excitement for your life, being present in every moment as opposed to missing out those precious moments that you can create with your loved ones. If you are in that situation and you're ready to make a choice, then I have a life-saving tool for you. Recently, I rolled out my very own app. It is called 360 Degree Life app. Inside of the app, I created a safe space away from the social media toxicity, where you can share your journey with experts and with your peers at the same time. In our community, we are hyper-focused on resolving health issues and the root causes, as opposed to masking them or putting on band-aids. No more gimmicky protocols or supplements, no more medications or more surgeries. We help you dig deep into uncovering the root cause of your health issues and then addressing them. In fact, I created an 8-part series course that is available inside of the app that will teach you everything that you need to know about medications, doctors, supplements, uncovering and addressing the root cause of your health issues. And I even give you the best diet that you can use to reverse thyroid, hormone, digestive, and autoimmune conditions naturally. And of course, lose any excess weight in the process. See, many years ago, I too was diagnosed with a hormone imbalance and a thyroid condition, and infertility, and a pituitary tumor. So I really understand how it feels to be where you are right now. However, I was so fed up with the osteopaths and the naturopaths and the allopathic doctors who are absolutely helpless in helping me to completely reverse the conditions that I created somehow knowingly or unknowingly. And I said that was enough. So I went out on my own and I uncovered the process that allowed me to completely heal my body. And I use the same process now with thousands of women and men from all over the world to do exactly the same. We have an outstanding over 95% success rate with our clients. And those who come to me don't do so because, well, they're trying to prevent something. Usually the cases that I get are the worst of the worst. They've already tried everything there is to try and they're stuck and they cannot get better. And we get down to uncovering the root cause, addressing it, creating a plan that is specific to them, and then setting them free so that they can become medication-free, symptom-free, and possibly even supplement-free for the rest of their lives. So if you are in a place where you're ready for the same thing for yourself, I'm going to place a link to my app, 360-Degree Life, so that you can go check out all of the benefits that you can get by being inside. And then you can change your life for the best. So by the time the summer comes, you're going to be full of energy. Your hair is going to be luscious once again. I remember when I had hypothyroidism, my hair was falling out, my eyebrows were missing. That is no longer an issue. My hair is back. My health is back. My energy is back. I feel better in my 40s than I did in my 30s. And I wish the same for you. So go ahead and click on the link, check out all of the benefits, and then get inside. One of my clients recently said, it's not a 360-degree life app, it's a lifeline. And that is exactly what it is designed to be. A very cutting-edge approach to achieving your hormone, thyroid, and autoimmune health naturally, putting you in charge of your health so that you never have to become a victim to the allopathic or naturopathic medicine ever again. Have a fantastic rest of the day. I'll see you on the inside.